there are alliances you can do, and profited alliance. If you want to do alliance, surely the Muslim countries get together and do alliance with Russia or with China. If Muslim countries join hands with Russia and China and then make an alliance, I am sure none of these non-Muslim countries like USA, like UK, like France, they have history. UK has a history, and France and Germany, they have a history that they ruled about 2/3 of the world. They came and they ruled India, they came and they ruled Malaysia, many countries in the world. They have a habit of interfering with other people and they say, we are doing it for the benefit. So what we should do, we should join hands, make alliance with countries like Russia, like country like China, and have an alliance. Allah has given us the black gold. We have control of the petrol. So if the Muslim countries get together, and we know the major oil producing countries are Muslim, the major export of the oil is Muslim, and oil is required even for weaponry, even for fighting. If all the Muslim countries get together, Allah has given us the resources.